Welcome to the section on Power Map. We're going to look at the Power Map add-in that's been brought into Excel 2010 and 2013. So let's start off. We're going to use the sales data that we used in the previous section in the Power View section. So if you can have the sales data Excel file open, then we can use that. If we go across to the end of this data, what you'll see over here is that we have some geographical data over here. So we have region, city, state, and country. Country is particularly exciting. We can have a look at the different countries and we'll be able to map, say for example, our sales or our profit data by country. Now to be able to activate the Power Map, what we do is we use the Insert menu option over here, and you'll see the Power Map, if it's been activated, will actually sit underneath the map here. So let's just talk about activating it quickly. If we need to go to File, and you need to go to your Options, this will bring up your add-ins just on the left hand side over here, and down on the bottom here on your add-ins is we have the Manage Excel add-ins, and what we want to do is actually do the COM add-ins. So I'm going to say COM add-ins go, and then if you've installed the Power Map, you'll see that there's two different options here. One's for actually for Excel 2010 and one's for Excel 2013. So over here we've got the Microsoft Power Map that is currently activated in the COM add-ins. Okay, so we've got the icon over here in our Insert menu, and I'm going to click on that. I'm going to say Launch Power Map. Okay, and you'll see this might take a little bit of time to get going the first time. Okay, so once Power Map loads, you'll see that the screen is dominated by this 3D image of the globe. Now this has been generated by the Bing mapping engine. You'll see at the bottom left hand corner here it shows the Bing. On the left hand side over here we have different tours that can be created, and this is great if you want to be able to show off your geographical data. We'll look at that a little bit later. At the top we only have one menu option, the Home menu option, and we'll see this consists of creating the tours, mapping our data, creating different layers. We can insert different charts and text boxes, work with time, and we can view. So for example, if we want to turn this tour off, we can actually turn off the tour editor, and you can see we get quite a bit more space over here. Okay, let's just bring this within the video. So I'm just going to fit this in. Okay, on the left hand side, sorry, on the right hand side over here we have our different layers. We can rename these layers if we want, so we'll just keep it layer 1 at the moment. And this is controlled by the layer pane. Again, I could also turn that off if I wanted to, turn it back on. Okay, so you can see the interface is quite easy to work with. Basically we've got the different layers that we'll look at in the next section, and then we have the mapping that occurs with our different data. Okay, so in the next section we'll look at how we do map our data. This concludes this lesson.